In this video we're taking an honest look at the Home Depot consumer credit card to see if it's really worth it. This card is mainly designed for people who shop frequently at Home Depot and want flexible financing options. One of its biggest perks is deferred interest financing on purchases over $299. This allows you to pay over time without interest, as long as the balance is cleared by the end of the promotional period. Another advantage is the extended return window. Cardholders get 365 days to return items, which is 4 times longer than the standard period. Plus, it comes with no annual fee, making it cost-effective for regular shoppers. However, there are some downsides. The ongoing APR is high at 29.99% variable, which can be risky if you carry a balance. Also, if you don't pay off your balance before the promo ends, interest is charged retroactively from the purchase date. Unlike some store cards, there's no rewards program, so you won't earn cash back or points. Users appreciate the financing for big purchases but caution against carrying a balance. Overall, this card is great for planned Home Depot purchases if you can pay off your balance on time, but it's less ideal for long-term balance holders or reward seekers. Make sure to manage it carefully to avoid high interest charges.